jerky.
Yeah. Hey, what do you call a cow with a jerk?
What?
Beef jerky.
You're so hilarious. What's up, guys? I'm Mjcrew.
And I'm Morgan.
And together we are
The Mjcrew. Today we are taking a trip to the famous Woodens Apple Barn.
amazing.
Thank you.
What's up, MJ Gang? Today we're going to the apple farm. If you're new to the channel, I'm Mjcrew.
And I'm Morgan.
And that's Mama Tay, aka Honey.
And I have her glasses on and she's mad at me.
My glasses off.
What's up, Mjcrew? Where are we going today?
I don't know.
Tell them, what were you calling it?
You said the apple farm.
Ah, the apple barn. Apple barn. But he calls it the apple farm. But it is the apple farm.
If you native to
It's an
Tennessee.
apple orchard.
Yeah.
Oh, so like with trees with apples on them?
Yeah, you'll see as we're driving up there, there's like trees everywhere with apples on them. But it's seasonal, so they're only open in like the fall. And for unfortunate events, we had to come to Tennessee. But fortunately enough, we get to see my fam and we get to go to the apple farm and eat some apple dumplings. That's mainly why I want to take him, for their legendary apple dumplings.
What do they taste like?
Dumplings.
Dumplings with apple and a side of ice
What
cream.
is it
It's
like?
cinnamon.
Is it like in a little pouch, like dumplings would be in?
What? Oh.
Like the little pouch. Dumplings come in a little pouch, right?
What?
The dumplings I ate come in a little pouch. Like it's like the dough, and then you squish it, and it's.
Oh, no. No. No.
What's he talking about?
I know what he's talking about. It looks like a meatball. Not
Yeah,
a,
but like it got like the dough around it.
yeah, like the meat things.
Oh, that's like Asian dumplings.
Yeah, but no.
Come on, honey.
It's like a big pan of it. Anyways, so we're going to the apple barn, apple farm, whatever you want to call it. And there's pumpkins out right now.
Gordon's Apple Orchard.
Yes.
Apple Barn.
Apple barn. We call it the apple barn here in where? Where are we at?
Chattanooga, Tennessee.
No, what'd you call it earlier?
Oh, Chattanooga means what I say?
Chattanooga.
Chattanooga.
Coochie or something. Chattanooga. I don't know.
Chescaloosa.
Yeah,
If you know where Chescaloosa are, you are a real one.
We're not.
Tuscaloosa, Mississippi.
We're not in Tuscaloosa, Chattahoochee, or Chattanooga. We're in Ray County.
Tennessee.
Rhea
Rhea, as
County.
Siri says it. Rhea County. But, anyways, so we're headed to the apple
Look at
barn.
the leaves. How pretty.
Yes, look how beautiful the mountain. So we will show y'all our apple dumplings when we get there, and I'll show you the inside. It's like kind of oldie looking, but it's super cute and super warming. And then they got a pumpkin patch too. I haven't been here in a long time, so a couple years or so. Apple cider. Oh, they have food now. They have like home cooking food. Yeah. Oh, they're pumpkin rolls. Oh my gosh, I forgot.
Apple fritter.
Yeah, they have a lot. They have a lot. It is really good.
They have apple ribs.
Apple ribs, like ribs with apple. Wow. The apple trees. That's all apple farm back there.
It's an apple.
And we are here, ladies and gentlemen, the apple farm.
It is not an apple.
The apple barn.
The apple house.
The apple house. Woo, 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 woo. Look, the pumpkins. Yay, pumpkins. Orange wooden apples.
Dude, I most definitely need a hand.
Here, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Got you, dude.
Thanks, dude. Oh. Look at this.
Hybrid. So.
Squash. It's like a scarf.
Don't break it. Ooh, it
You
looks
break,
like a snake.
you bite. They said you break, you bite. Hey, look at the dirty cabbage.
Like the spaghetti squash.
Oh, that's the mushrooms.
You want the crystals?
In our bathroom?
No bueno.
You said it smelled good?
Yeah.
Maybe want to get butternut. Yes, please.
So certain apples are cooking apples. Certain apples are eating apples. Do you know how to tell the difference?
No.
I don't either.
Yeah, Honey Crisps are absolutely the best. Are you saying that because it's called Honey Crisp?
They're the bomb.
Do they have the granny apples?
Yeah, they're over there. Granny Smith.
The Apple House.
You got velvet cookies too.
You just want me?
I just want this, and I want you.
I want you.
All right, let's see what this tastes like. First bite. Y'all ready? You gotta get all the ice cream.
Oh yeah, there was no.
She's over here crushing.
Get that camera out of my face.
Oh my gosh, Apple Farm, 10 out of 10.
Totally recommend.
10 out of 10. You gotta go like.
Here, we have to get. Can I stick my finger in there?
Yeah, I got something in there.
Yeah, you got a lot of earrings in you.
You gonna be dirty. Go get up off the ground.
I am dirty.
The red. We gonna get kicked out.
Cooties.
Messing with Morgan. We gonna get kicked
Tennessee
out.
ain't gonna get kicked out of nowhere. They like that redneck stuff, right?
Are you from Tennessee?
Yeah, duh. That's why I'm the only 10 you see.
Period. We're picking out a pumpkin.
Try to get like this.
Okay.
We gotta get the Wooden's apple.
Wooden Apple Farm. I thought we were going to an apple orchard to actually like pick apples.
Oh, earbook.
Oh, you know what? You know some good pictures will be like over there in the trees.
Why?
Ooh, that sun is bright.
Yeah.
Is it? Say cheese.
Do we look alike?
Too bad it's a video. All right, guys. So that was pretty much our time at the Family Orchard Apple Center in Tennessee. I had so much fun.
Yeah, me too, at the Family Apple Center.
If you come to Tennessee, gotta check it out. Gotta get the fried dumplings. The apple dumplings. It's basically an apple pie with ice cream.
You go to McDonald's and get it.
So go check it out.
All right, guys, that concludes our time at Oren Wooden Apples.
The Apple Wooden Orchard, Apple Orchard.
That. The Apple Farm, the Apple Barn, the Apple Center, Apple Facility, whatever you want to call it.
With the apple dumplings that wasn't a dumpling.
They were a dumpling until we messed them up with ice cream.
No, it was an apple pie.
They were amazing.
They were
amazing, but it wasn't an apple dumpling.
Best apple dumpling in Maria County.
That was an apple pie. The apple dumpling would be dumplings with apples inside. I should make real apple dumplings.
Anyways, that concludes our time at the Apple Barn. If you guys come to Tennessee or from Tennessee, whatever, you have to go to the Oren Wooden Apple Barn.
And pumpkin.
And pumpkin, they have pumpkin stuff too. It's really good. They have all kinds of pumpkins for sale. Oh, there's people right there. Pumpkins for sale, all kinds of everything, all kinds of stuff.
Yep, come check it out.
Come check it out.
Check it out.